All right, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the watch list video for Wednesday, September 25th. It looks like, hey, the SPY gapped up, sold off, and ended up closing strong. And that is what happened. When you look at 5-minute candles, though, I always forget to take pre-market off when I make these videos. You look at 5-minute candles, it just straight down, straight up, did a V, and then sideways chop for about 4 hours, and then one strong candle at the close. So it wasn't the best tradable day. Of course, I don't trade the SPY, but I'm still proud of some of the stuff that was put out in chat, right? So let me do my hat tips. Kevin P, he makes the list a lot, doesn't he? 5-minute candles. He called BNZI after the gap up, then it ran, then pulled back right about here at over 750, right about there. And the worst case stop on it was probably 50 cents below, right? Using the method we teach, but still it went up to 1120 without stopping out. So pretty amazing call there. Over the mic, I gave the SMMT idea. This was the opening candle right here, this red one, opening 5-minute candle. Kind of did a cup and handle. And over the mic, I said maybe a high of day break, or wait, maybe make it take out 22, right? Which is right where that horizontal line is, right? So kind of a cup and handle break. Just a bounce play entry on a stock that was pretty big pullback after the big run, right? Here's the daily. So you had this huge run, huge pullback. And in the video last night, I said, hey, it's finally gotten down to the 20-day. Let's put it on bounce watch. So then let's fast forward back. You can kind of see the cup and handle and the reason for the 22 break idea. And it ended up going up to 23.99. And the risk, beauty of it, was only about 30 cents. And then late in the day, I actually made 2 calls in U, but I'm just going to talk about the second one because I like it so much. U, the letter U, I mentioned as a yellow line play. And look at that. I love that yellow line so much. Bounced right off of it and then went to new highs for the day. And that is a low risk setup. The entry was right around 22.52, right on that yellow line touch. And the worst case stop, probably about 15 cents below, right? Right about there. Maybe closer to 20 cents. And a really nice pop, right? Went 81 cents a share, I believe. So anyway, there's a few highlights from the day. Let me go into what we're watching for tomorrow. I need the daily charts up, and then I'm going to be brief here. All right, so nice gap up and a pretty strong day for HSCS. So that's a possible follow-through day tomorrow. CAPR, big breakout. We're going to watch that one tomorrow. NNE, put in a red day today. Not the easiest trader, but it's I like that space it's in, so it goes back on watch. Redfin, RDFM was on bounce watch today. Did bounce and hasn't broken a previous day's high since it topped out at 15.29. So maybe tomorrow we have a follow through on this bounce. DJT, pretty ugly chart, right? But we did put in a narrow range compared to a lot of the days, and a green day, narrow range green day, and topped out at 1301. So maybe a break at 13 tomorrow could be interesting. Certainly overdue for a bounce. BNZ, I already talked about Kevin P's great call today. It didn't give it all back, so it goes right back on bounce watch. NIO, NIO. I generally don't put these stocks on watch, the Chinese stocks, because they trade while we're sleeping in another country's exchange, and then I don't know. They just don't trade like a normal stock for me, but I'll put it on watch. Let me go out to a year and just show you real quick. It's a better look at it when you look at it a year. So kind of have here a little cup and handle and it's trying to break out. All right. So I'm going to put that one on watch. You could have every Chinese stock on watch today, though, after what all of them did. Intel, INTC had the pop and it's starting to kind of grind back up higher. I still think that might just rip into that gap one of these days. IMRX is just coiling after that big move. UXIN inside day after yesterday's big pop goes on watch. CMG Chipotle is just kind of in a tight range. I don't know. I happened to stumble across this today, and I thought, hey, I'm going to put that on watch. I like it, above this little range here. RDDT. Kind of similar in that it's found its way into a tight range, also up over this range. Reddit might get going. I think it's got a lot of shorts, but I could be wrong. Lunar, LUNR, goes on bounce watch. I told you guys in the video yesterday I'd like to see another red day. We did get it. It's down kind of close to the bottom of its range now. So that one goes on bounce watch, and then I'm gonna put Nova back on bounce watch. There, just another red day, but holding support. All right, I will see some of you, whoever wants to join me in pre-market, as we build a gapper list to add to this list. Should be plenty to trade tomorrow. Appreciate everyone who participated today, and I'll see you guys in chat tomorrow. Have a good night.